Do all three in the same one. So we got Arizona beating TCU in an upset, Houston beating Oregon State in an upset, Cincinnati beating Kansas in an upset, Iowa State beating Arizona, BYU beating Colorado, Kansas State beating UCF in an upset, Baylor beating Oklahoma State, Utah beating West Virginia. A lot of upsets. But now let's go over to top 25. I went too far back. So we got our week 5, top 25. We got Virginia beating Florida State in an upset. Ohio State winning, Oregon beating Penn State in an upset. Ole Miss beating LSU in an upset. Alabama beating Georgia in an upset. Texas A&M beating Auburn. And let's take a look at the new rankings. New rankings: Ohio State on top, Oregon, Miami, Ole Miss, Oklahoma top 5. Our biggest faller is Florida State University, who went down to 18th. Arizona State moving up to ranked. BYU moving up a couple spots. Virginia is now ranked. Here's the coaches poll. And we're going to go over to NFL. Chiefs beating the Ravens. Seahawks beating the Cardinals. Steelers beating the Vikings. Falcons beating the Commanders. Bills beating the Saints. Lions beating the Browns. Texans beating the Titans. Patriots beating the Panthers. Giants beating the Chargers. Eagles, Bucks, good game. Eagles won. Rams, Colts, good game. Rams won. Jags beating the 49ers. Bears beating the Raiders. Packers, Cowboys tied, which would be the first tie of the season. I don't think there was any ties last year, if I remember right. Broncos beating the Bengals. Dolphins beating the Jets. Chiefs actually looked like a football team this week. Here's the league standings. A bunch of 2-2 teams mostly, and then 3-1.